Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox carrot beetroot amla juice. This is best had during breakfast, and for this, we are going to take one medium-sized amla that is chopped. We'll add it to the mixer grinder. On top of this, we are going to add one large beetroot nicely chopped. To this, we are going to add 2 carrots nicely chopped, preferably Ooty carrots. We top this up with some ginger pieces which are nicely cut. Add some salt and some pepper. Squeeze some lemon juice for tangy taste. We then add 1 complete glass of water to top it up so that all these vegetables get submerged completely. It is now time to grind it well. While it's grinding, a quick look at the ingredients that we've used. Now you can see that the juice is nicely ground. We now run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles come out. We then add some honey to this depending on your taste. This is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the juice to be. Our 100% detox juice is ready to be had.